So guys, I'm going to be going over with Robert just a little technical analysis session. So for London, we're potentially waiting for this break, going into this zone. And Asian session might bring price up here, somewhere around here. And then I'm going to be looking for some shorts here, all the way to down here. All right. But I mean, we definitely, this candle closes here in the next minute. As you can see, the candle's closing kind of a little bit under here. It closes above here. We should have a good, strong bullish move, but it's probably not going to happen. So you would go here. But I'm not trading that. I'm waiting for London. Waiting for London. Come up, which at 12 o'clock, 12 a.m. Friday, Pacific time. For Bitcoin, I'm going to be waiting for, we got a break right here. I'm going to be waiting for a retest up here for a potential short down to the 1 hour demand or 4. So, we broke, we got a fake out right here. If you look at the 4 hours, a clean fake out. Got a clean fake out move, close under, we're going down. I'm gonna wait for the sell, just like right here, you got a clean fake out move, close down, retest, shorts down. Unfortunately, we missed this move, closed from here. Already missed that one. The price is already down here. So, bro,
what's up?
Yeah, so I'm recording this one. But yeah, so if you go right here.
I did a little buy on gold earlier.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I've been practicing.
Yeah. Nice. Right. You can go here too, and if you get a little, this type of trading, I would say is you wait a little bit longer, but it's obviously it's more safer. And then you could go on supply and demand diary. I mean, supply and demand is a very, very, very good chapter. But I would go here. You can go on webinars. And then he talks about it on gold psychology and finding a good trade, for gold, supply and demand, gold studies, volume and price reading, gold and silver, supply and demand, golders. Like he trades gold too, and gold is an amazing asset to trade. But this is a supply and demand, like this is literally just waiting for the same exact thing. You're doing the same exact thing as Raja, but Raja just does it on a smaller time frame. Like it happens more times in a smaller time frame. Whereas this guy here trades waits a little bit longer for the nice ones to form. But yeah, like so for Bitcoin, like you got the that's what we're expecting, like these levels. So I'm going to be looking. So I'm going to price, but I'm thinking it's going to be breaking somewhere above here, 30K, and if it takes out all, it can go above here. Because there's a lot of orders over here. People will definitely start buying right here. People will start buying, and then it gets shorted back down.
Okay.
This is on the long term. This is on the weekly. So weekly is the bullish, you know, and the impulse moving up. So you can see here, this is the way it went. It went down and then up, down, up, down, up, down, up. You know, it's going to be going like this. And then until it breaks these levels, I'm pretty sure it's going to go above here. And here's the zone. Here's the next wick. It's going to hit this wick for sure. As you can see, this one right here, this short, and went up and it hit this wick. And look what happened. It shorted like a motherfucker all the way down here. Same thing with this one. That's the same thing I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for this price to hit up here. And then once it hits here, I am looking for it to shoot down, like crazy down. You know, either in some of these demand levels right here. So it went up here, went down, and then it went back up again, and then shorted. So, you know, potentially we can go down here and go back up again, and then short it again down. And these will be some monster moves that you can, you know, basically make your whole, potentially your whole, you know, half a year to a year with. Literally in these next couple months, you can make your like yearly results. You know, obviously if you go high risk. So I'm prepared. I'm like, it's really good because that's what I'm preparing for. Basically, I'm preparing, you know, buy, you know, do trades here.
Yeah.
Once by the time, you know, we're up here and shorts, you know, I should be a lot better. My skill set, I can catch these moves with higher risk.
Yeah, most definitely.
Risk more. So that's where I'm thinking it's going. It's going, you know, we got these candles. Minimum it's going up here. And then it's also, you know, it should fill this whole candle. This candle should get filled. Just like how this candle got filled right here, boom. It went above, went down and it went above these highs. So I think it's gonna go, once it hits here, it's gonna go down. And then it's gonna go up on these highs and then short. So this will be the first hardcore sell, just like how I sold right here. Hardcore sell down, which you didn't even touch. Okay, and then the second sell's right here. Boom. So you got your first sell, and the next sell. That's how I'm thinking.
Okay.
And that's how it's looking like on the bullish, unconfirmed bullish correction leg, a bearish impulse move. So it's like it's going up now. It could and you know, you got it could definitely, not only will it hit this wick, it kind of already did almost, and as you can see it went down. Just how like on this one did. Like it almost hit it and went down. This one almost hit this one and it went down and went shoot and shut down. But you know what? If something causes, like, you know, if something happens where like the world is like, I don't know, like something that has to do with money.
Yeah.
Like if
just news in general.
Yeah, like kind of like how Ukraine. The reason why the price went up when Ukraine got hit was, you know, a lot of people were using crypto because you know, you couldn't really send money or it was sanctioned, and they were using crypto for payment. So something that can happen that will make Bitcoin more better to use, that's what's going to cause the price to go hit here, hit here, hit here.
That's definitely, yeah.
Like China going to.
Oh, yeah, what does that mean? Like China, like, fucking up all the shit that's going on with that?
Well, like China and inflation and all that did cause the price to go up. But China and inflation and the bad economy made it go, you know, like all of this started, you know, because of fucking the war and all these tensions, all of this.
That's okay.
But hitting these levels, it's gonna do some, you know, it's gonna be some big sell-off. And then these sell-offs you know, something's going to happen where it's going to create a sell-off where something that's going to go that bad for so the dollar continues to go up or something, you know, where the gold's going to be bad. And then
Yeah.
once gold goes around here, these levels, you know, something in the world will happen where like war, something bad will happen, and then it's going to bring price up again.
Mhm.
So I'm waiting for the sell-off because it's extended. You know, it went from here to here. It's already hitting this zone. It already broke this trend line. So I'm waiting for good sells, and I'm thinking it's going to go like all the way down here to this level or this level.
Mhm.
Like we got this support right here. We already hit it. And if we break it, we go to the next one. If we break that one, we go to the next one. If we break that one, we go to the next one. So I'm just gonna be looking for sells. And who knows if we can, you know, say we find a sell on Monday, we can, which will be tough because I know there's gonna be a fake out.
Yeah.
But you could basically, you know, if you do it right, you can sell on Monday and hold all the way till the Friday, and you capture this full move, which would be a ridiculous amount of money. This would be like just a lot. This is like 10. This is already, you know, passing 10%. Yeah, so that's kind of what we're waiting on for both. I mean, we can look at more charts too. The only thing is I'm not doing it. Maybe like oil or something that like I'd only trade something that has tied to the news. Like Bitcoin is because I already know how to trading Bitcoin. I'm going to use the strategy and it seems to work very well. Gold because that's what I'm, you know, going to be learning. But as you can see, like you know, here's boom. Here's that one where it goes near, boom, support, buy, up, boom. You know, support's created, but the price didn't break above. Support's created, but price did not break above it. Support price didn't break above it. Support price broke above it. So that you could have gotten some buys from here. Remember, it's for every dollar. If you risk one lot, every dollar that goes up is $100. So if it goes from 1792 to 1793, and that's $100 with one lot. With 10 lots, that's $1,000 if it goes up for every $1 move.
Okay.
So you can catch like my trading is going to be like catching like $1 to $3 moves from $1 to $3. So from 1790 to like 1792 or 1793. I only want to catch small moves.
Yeah.
But I'll have to risk like 3 to 5 lots to make it profitable and worth it.
Yeah.
So I practiced with 2 already, and it's gonna take me some time to get to like 5 lots. Might take me a couple of weeks. But my goal is just to increase to 1 lot every single week, and if I can get used to it, because then the numbers go back quick too. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna make you want to get out of your trade side. It's just all psychological. I'm just, you know, going with heavier trades. So I gotta like warm myself up for that. But as you can see that this candle up, you know, could have been a good buy. You know, goes up, goes down, it goes up, it goes down, and it goes up. But this candle didn't break.
Yeah.
This green candle, that's the new candle that. But you know what? It's the first 12 minutes. Normally, when that happens, the first 30 minutes, it'll go down, and then it might go up the next 30 minutes for that hour. So who knows, if a good trade, you know, if it doesn't break this, like if it goes around here and starts chilling, and then another green candle comes around here, that might be a very good buy to go back up again.
Okay.
And 1787, the buys I would want to have to break above here, so like right here, this is probably like the next zone I would want to buy towards. 1789 all the way to 1792. That's 892. That's $3. So there you go. 2 lots at $600 with 2 lots. And then you would basically place your buy up here. Your stop loss would go under here, and then the 1792 right there. It's risky because like it's a 1-to-1. It's like a plus 100, or the plus 100 right there trade. And it could probably keep on. It could probably go more, but what I'm thinking is it's going to take out this wick or this wick. But I myself would get out right here. I've just learned to take my whole trade out. I'm not going to leave that much running. I'm only going to let it run if I buy like low. If I buy too high, I'm not going to let it run. I'm just taking all the profits. I'm not going to let like leave a little bit there and see if it keeps on going.
That makes sense.
Yeah, I'm only going to do that if it's like at a good zone sales. In the middle, towards the middle, I'm taking all the money out. I'm not going to risk it because more. Once the price goes in the middle, it goes and does this in the middle more. So you can take your stop loss out.
Yes. Yeah. Good. Waiting.
What?
I said it's good waiting. I mean, like you took a whole week to trade. So it's good patience.
I couldn't.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I couldn't really hear you. Were you saying you're waiting for trading?
No, I said like the skill of patience. Like just waiting for like the right moves. Shit really does help. I feel like when you just overtrade, it's like sometimes you're just doing it just to do it. When you're just trading too much.
Yeah, I only did 3 trades this week so far, and I do like it way better. There's less stress, and I take less losses, and I'm more it's way more disciplined. But yeah, like right here, here's one.
You feel more confident too,
Yeah, I feel I'm confident. I just gotta take my I just gotta make sure like throughout that time that since I'm not trading, I'm like back testing or I'm continuous to learn. You know what I'm saying?
1000%. Yeah, dude.
Yeah, and like that's like the only issue. But as you can see, it's starting to break right here. You haven't had 2 days until right here of red candles. We got 2 days. We got 1 day, 1 day. But that's because it's hitting this zone right here. Strong sellers. The inflation numbers and everything were bad. That's what caused it to go up here. And then, so now that we broke it, now we're going to be mostly looking for sales.
It's going to go up a little bit, right?
I mean, potentially. I mean, like, if you get some candles that can close above here, yeah, but they're staying at the bottom right here, staying in this little box.
So then people are looking to sell then?
Oh yeah, I mean, it's just like there's no volume, so it's just kind of going to go like this. And then like once London comes, then there's going to be some real volume,
Got you.
What I'm thinking is we're going to get one final push up.
Yeah.
And then short to here.
Yeah.
It's going to take out everybody that has sales and stop losses right here. Everybody that has stop losses right here is going to take them out. And it's going to get people to start buying. So all the stop losses that were hit right here, and also all the buyers that are buying. So the people who are selling, their stop losses got hit, they're done. And the people that are buying, they're starting to buy, and it's going to go down all the stop losses. So it took out the stop losses of the sellers and the buyers. And then the real move happens right after that. So if you go right here on go right there, you could, well, I mean, it's on there on I think fake outs.
Okay.
I think if you go to market manipulation, if you go to market manipulation, I think you posted it or you showed it. So what is the market manipulation? Fake out level, even more fake outs. So here's that pattern.
Yeah. And that's really good. That's like it's gonna go up again and then boom.
So you got, I mean, you got it right here. Here's this one. And boom, and here's this one. Boom. Here's the pattern. So basically the sales would have been perfect right here. but I'm thinking it's gonna do that again. It's gonna bring it. I'm thinking we're gonna get one more.
I thought.
Because- Yeah, as you can see right here, people are selling.
Yeah.
And then when it goes up here,
That's what I was looking at. Well,
oh, hey Robbie, I can't hear you. What happened?
when I was like studying the fake out,
Yeah.
the other day, and I looked at this, it kind of looked the same. So that's why
I can only hear you like in the beginning. Yeah, I don't know. So
hold on, let me get my. Can you hear me now?
yeah, I can hear you way better now. Yeah.
Oh yeah, so like when I was studying the what's it called? The fake outs the other day, and then I saw this pattern. It looks familiar. That's why I bought at the like around where did I buy? Because yeah, the pattern looks similar, and what I was looking at earlier today, and that's why I placed a buy.
Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, like I think what you could do is like, yeah, like picture the levels, like support and support, resistance, or it's the same shit. Resistance is supply. Demand is support, but like demand is just stronger. Support and resistance is like here's like demand, and support and resistance is like here's support, here's support. Support is like the ones that are in between the demand and supply. So supply, here's supply, here's demand. These are like the strongest of the strongest levels, and then within those levels, you have this. You have support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. And then you go to the real zone where like the strongest of the strongest that sellers are, and they go boom, goes down.
Got you.
So like you want to draw out your levels of support and demand so that way you can see where your next moves could be. So this is what I'm thinking is, yeah, let's see here, get out of here, and then that way I can have that on my Discord just to make sure to make so here.
Yeah, and then from there you just like creating your.
Sorry, but I couldn't hear you when you said that. After.
So let's say after, so eventually let's say you place the buy or sell, right? You stop prepping up for the other move, right? You just start doing the setup for that.
Yeah, I'm always like posting. What I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna post them here. I might do that somewhere else because like right here I'm always posting stuff, but I might do it on Excel. And I can like post it, post it so right there. It might be a little bit easier because like on the notes there's so much shit on there that I can't like really see. But so that's what I'm gonna be waiting for. And this is just if you can really get these things down and it would help. It'll help you. And then when you get you can go with Raj and stuff, but that's a little that is a little bit more advanced. Even though you could watch him, but it is a little bit more of an advanced style of trading. It's definitely more aggressive. Bitcoin, I'm going with that. It's a much better. I mean, as you can see, it goes runs up, runs down, runs up, runs down.
Yeah, you can make
yeah, like what's his name would kill it on this that guy that trades. So like if you go here, that guy's name.
What does what's his face? What's it? Mass dude? What's his name? The one that, what's his name? This one? Fucking
The guy that I traded.
the dude that trades. He's really good. He makes He makes a shit ton of money. What's his name?
This guy Raja Banks. We don't lie.
That what?
Raja Banks.
Oh no, I was talking about, I mean, it was crypto face. Crypto face. What does he trade?
Oh yeah. He did a video today.
What does he trade? Does he trade gold? I
Nah,
mean,
he,
no,
well,
no, no.
he does trade a
I mean,
lot of
not
things.
gold. I mean, fucking Bitcoin, dude.
Yeah, he trades Bitcoin, and he did a video today, and it was a very good one, saying that Bitcoin's looking like a very good buy. So that's what I'm saying right now. Like right now, most likely it's gonna go back up to get short, and then go for the strong buys, either here or here. So these strong buys, I'm waiting. I'm scooping. I'm waiting for it. You know what I'm saying? Like it's probably gonna be like next week. You go right here on the weekly candles. You know, this week, oh shit. This week might close a little bit higher, or it might even close like that, and then the next week might just go shroom.
There's some news coming from crypto. That's why he's saying that. Is some type of news?
Yeah, you just gonna have to wait for that news. Like as you can see right here, this guy traded gold. Look, he did a gold trade on the 30-minute. He saw it. He went fake out, went up. It was fake out because then they broke back in here, and then you saw the next candle, and then he's just waiting for it to go back up and go down, and he shorted it. 126k euros. That's a lot,
Bro.
See, that was just one move that he waited for.
Yeah, I've been watching all these dudes' videos, but that's how I been like. Yeah, I got super inspired by all that shit, dude. I was like, oh my god, I need to get on this extra hard.
See if we can find any. See, like, these are some massive. Here's his boom. So, you know, this is a fake out up. Broke, and he's waiting to sell once it breaks these lows. And 200, that's a lot. I don't know how much money that was, but that's definitely a lot. Of same, a couple of this, that's easily 6 figures. Here's sell 200, sell 200. That's ridiculous. This is ridiculous. This is easily, you know, 500,000 or more.
Damn.
So yeah.
That's insane, dude.
Yeah, and this is the guy that we have the course from.
Yeah, same dude, Forex Scalper.
Yeah, this is the same guy that we have the course. This guy's very, very good. Obviously, I mean, there's got losses, but
yeah, I mean, losses.
say here, 30-minute gold, going retest short under this break.
That is
fair. You know, 100 or 73 grand, and that's in 30. That's in 30 minutes. You know, that's a 30-minute candle. So.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's insane, dude. Like how much money you can make, dude.
Yeah, I mean, he's trading a very heavy account too. He's probably somewhere in like 20-30 million. So he definitely isn't. He's risking like a little bit for him.
Yeah.
Here's this one, another massive sell. You know, 200 grand.
Wow.
And he also teaches a new course with like this stuff. I haven't gotten that one. But I mean, I don't know. I don't want to go into all that shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to add in.
Yeah.
I'm not trying to add in. Like I'm good. Like with this, how I'm doing it now with gold. I want to match it like this. How I'm doing it. He is like a little bit riskier. He's shorting pretty. You know, normally you want to short under like once it breaks here, but yeah, so.
Yeah, that's a lot of fucking money.
But this guy, like he, you know, the Forex family, the guy that basically taught Raja Bank, this guy's right here. Channel. See, he follows this Forex scalper.
Yeah, I gotta follow the Forex Scalper. If I have the Forex family, I need to follow the Forex Scalper.
Yeah, I don't know if he follows Uncle. Yeah, but this guy's a fucking beast. Is basically, I mean, that's what we can. He's had like some hardcore ones. Like he's not trading as like before. He was going hard, dude. I don't know why he doesn't show his profits. This is a lot. Sell 250, sell 250. It's a ridiculous amount.
They probably made a shit ton of money.
Like this one, he show it 77, 350 grand on the gold.
Damn, 300. That is insane.
Look at this one, 425 grand on gold.
Oh my.
Don't.
I swear, I'm just gonna
short.
Damn, bro.
Yeah. And then here's demand, boom. And then,
He got that? He got that buy?
yeah,
Oh my god.
yeah. So, but you see what I'm saying is that like he waits for these really, really good zones.
Yeah.
And
Like
he's a sniper shoots. He shoots the shit. He snipers the fuck out of these trades.
yeah, it's just a solid ass.
But he's got it down like crazy. His emotions, his everything. And once you have it down that bad, look at sleep, boom, nice buy, broke above. Once you have it down pretty well, then this is the opportunity. But you know, it took him a long time too. You know, he's been trading for 12 years. I don't know how long, but you know, he's been trading for 12 years, which is you know, a long time. He's definitely a professional. And like he started, I think, with 30 bands. Started off with 30 bands, and then grew his account from there. Here's some good trades. Where's that one? 280K GBP AUD. I think his biggest wins are on gold though, because gold just runs like crazy. But he catches big massive moves. As you can see, it's really good.
Yeah, he gets some solid moves, man.
So as you can see, here's demand, boom, supply. That's what that's how I have mine, you know, my stuff figured out or laid out. So when you know, prices like this is a massive demand zone right here, boom, like weekly demand. So you know, whatever might short it all the way down here, I'm looking for buys here, and this is where you can make a ridiculous amount of money. We already got the next day, 786. Okay, so let's start looking at how it's looking at right now, how it's forming out. Oh, so a candle broke beneath this, so it's boom. Here's creating resistance. Creating some resistance right here. The next move is going to be a breaking this low and these lows, a sharp break, get a retest. So this break can happen anytime soon. It can happen in the next couple of hours, and then it's gonna, you know, we can get a little slight move up here, and then short down here. And that's what I'm going to be looking for all today. That's what I'm going to be looking for. So I'm going to be staying up, you know,
Yeah.
to catch these moves and trade this down, something like this. So you know, breaks right here, catch that whole move down with the stop loss above the resistance over here.
Yeah, we have solid move.
And it's a clean move on the 4 hour, because this is a 1 4 hour candle from here to here, Very clean move, just like how this clean move right here, 1 4 hour candle, it got filled up nice.
Yeah.
Just like this 4 hour candle got filled up with 1 hour candle. So you know, we can get this fill right here within 4 hours, which is good. You know, you could definitely make some money on that. So it happened right here, happened right here, got filled, and you're listen down. So whenever you see these big candles, sooner or later they get filled up again. Just like this one might get filled up again, or I mean, this one got filled up by this one.
Yeah. So it might happen again.
Yeah, potentially, yeah. You know, if we don't get this, we might get this. So like you would want to look, all right, where's the next resistance zone? On the 1 hour, it's like around here. Boom. So you got break here. You got here. That's what's most likely gonna happen. And it just depends on how much volume there is. We gotta put on the volume indicator. You know, if you see a very high, you see like how this high volume candle is high. This is very high volume, like high, medium, low volume. We're at low volume.
Yeah.
This is medium and high. So, you know, you got a big candle right here. That was a fake out, like closed back up. It went down with high volume and it closed back up with high volume. That means it's gonna go reverse. So what we're looking for is high volume going up and then reverse down. High value going down, reverse up. That's how. And and I'm learning that on this. I'm learning that on Forex Scalper's course on his shit, you know, on what we got. And like, yeah, so this guy trades, he also scalps, meaning he doesn't keep his trades that long, but I will tell you that he is better than Rajabank for sure, I would say. He's a bigger trader for sure, and he's definitely better. Because this fool holds trades like no other, bro. This fool knows how to hold. Like learning how to trade and learning how to hold. Learning how to hold is the hardest one, I think. Because like you're more confident when you're holding. Like, all right, like look at this one, god damn, 482 grand. It's hard to hold all the way to that full move, you know. Sometimes you want to take out, like right here, look at buy. He did a bunch of buys right here, and he holds all this right here. Normally I would just boom, take my profits right here once I see it wicking. I just leave it, but this will continue to hold and it keeps on going up. So, you know, in order to do this, it takes a lot of balls, and you got to be very confident in what you're doing in order to do those type of trades. And we have his course. Look at this one in here, the $530,000.
Damn, dude.
You know, and then look how much he sold. Sold 100. There's one where he sold 16 of these, so it's like 11 more.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's
That's insane.
ridiculous, bro. How this guy just destroys the markets, bro. Fuck. Profit 1 point something million, you know, 1.35 million.
Yeah. Yeah, dude. I've been watching all these dudes' videos, bro, and
2 days.
shit.
And like once you catch this is why you can wait, because once you catch these really big moves, you don't need to trade it. You know, really, you don't need to trade again until you find the next very good one. You know.
Yeah, exactly. You don't have to rush. You don't have to rush it.
In the beginning, you rush it, and then once you get really good, you just take longer.
Yeah, exactly.
That's how it is normally. That's just how it. Yeah, that's like the trader journey. And then once you get the hedge fund style, then yeah, you like fucking. Hedge fund style is like you buy here, you know, and you can still do however type of trade, to be honest, but you buy here and you hold. Like once you have a lot of money, you can hold, you know what I'm saying? Hold for these big ass moves. You do like swing trading, but you don't need to. But yeah, this is why I think he's better, because he just he holds like a motherfucker, and it's hard to hold. It just really is. But once you get good, yeah. So this one he made 400K on this.
That's
sell above
crazy.
here.
That's crazy. In a day, that is insane.
Yeah, 300. 300 bands on this one, buys from here to, you know.
Yeah.
But it's not really traders that I know that are as good as this guy. 4 trading days, 6 setups, 5 win, 1 lose. I have risk it all for freedom. Thank you for it. So
That's insane how much money he makes.
yeah, 542K with 542 bands. And that's, who knows, this is probably, oh no, yeah, this is like very, oh shit, he's trading the shit out of GBP JPY. So GBP JPY, Raja also trades that. He trades a lot of other ones, but like he trades a lot of different pairs too. He looks for them. He looks for a lot of demand zones, and you know, which it is better. You could do that. I just decided not to. I'm just down the road. I will. You know.
Yeah.
I will turn into that type of trader. But like once I have a bigger account, then I can do those trades easier, less stress. I would want to master this because it fits where my journey is at right now, you know? So this stuff's a little bit harder. Because I'm working on holding my trade.
Yeah, I mean, that's just gonna help with like everything else, you know, but being really patient.
Yeah. This session is gonna end. Do you want to do another one, or do you want to relax a little?
I'll text you right now. I might eat something and then I'll text you right now.
All right.
All right.
All right, bro.